Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2019 Pete factory built heavy haul triaxle day cab, X15 565 Cummins, 18 speed, big fronts, rears, double frame. It's got a nice headache rack, wet kit. It's only got 265,000 original miles on it. I've got it hot. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Dual steering gearboxes. Surround, all your aluminum's just been polished out, body and paints in great condition. This does have the ultra cab as well. Give you a little extra leg room. Nice and close headache rack, light bar. Extremely long slide. Air track suspension. Excellent brakes. Double frame. It's got full lockers. 46s. Hydraulic tank on the driver's side here. Overall, frame rail's in good shape. You had a little bit of rust on that rear end chunk. Up and down, looks really good. Interior's extremely clean. Extra gauges. Your miles and hours. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth to the RPMs. Oil pressure climbs exactly like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.